Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gearing up and immediately moving. Pick a bright torch, a noisemaker to distract enemies, and any keys you find. Batteries matter, so conserve them. Once done, open the map and highlight locked doors and stairwells that lead deeper into the house because Slendrina's mom is hidden in a secluded area. Move quietly toward the nearest marked staircase, stopping at intersections to listen for footsteps or childlike calls. Those sounds tell you where to focus your search next. You now execute a systematic search and unlock sequence. Sweep each room clockwise so you don't miss hiding spots, under beds, wardrobes, behind curtains, and inside cabinets. When you find keys or clues, use them on marked locks and complete small puzzles to open basements or backrooms. These areas often conceal crucial evidence of Slendrina's mom. Make sure to deploy a noisemaker to lure enemies away, then slip past while they investigate, because stealth keeps you alive and speeds the search. You reach the final area where Slendrina's mom is hidden. Proceed cautiously. Inspect corners, coffin-like containers, and wall nooks for a locked compartment or a puzzle panel. These usually require the last key item you collected. Once you use that item or solve the final puzzle, free her and move out on the safest route you mapped earlier. If the door is blocked or nothing appears, retrace your steps, reset distractions, and listen for fresh audio cues. Doing so often reveals a missed key or an alternative entrance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.